So I really cannot comment कि क्या हो सकता है क्या नहीं, but I would definitely say one thing, that you could take it, piecemeal, in the sense that you could, if you are say in uni full time, you could say, okay, let me defer it for 6 months. You could try and take a 3-month leave and say, okay, let me try this out in 3 months.
You can have a hiatus.
Yes, exactly. And take a sabbatical from your work and say, it's my creative chutti. If you have good relationship with your boss or whatsoever, you can do that. You can try it out for 3 months and then see where you're going. It needs a kickstart. Some of these projects need a kickstart and discipline and a routine.
Yes.
And we miss that part. कि creativity हमें लगता है कि will dawn upon us.
Yes.
It needs to be commissioned sometimes. And that discipline, Gulzar Saab talks about that. कि when I asked him कि आप क्या हर दिन लिखते हैं, that was one of my questions. And he says, हलवाई हूँ, दुकान पे बैठना पड़ता है. He says, रोज ताजे लड्डू भी बनाने पड़ते हैं और दही भी काटनी पड़ती है.
That's such a great analogy.
Right. So I realized that when I took this hot desk, thinking that I need that routine.
Yeah.
And for that routine, I needed to do whatever I needed to do. So if you can't resign, you can probably take, 2 weeks or a month retreat, go somewhere in Blue Mountains.
But just get started.
Just get started.
Just get started, yeah.
And that momentum will probably carry you.
Yeah. And probably after you've invested a certain amount of time early on, you will figure out that is this for me or is this not for me?
Exactly, yes.
Yes.
And those moments of doubts will come, but you have to create some sort of support village around you.
Yes.
And that village will also, will carry you. So in my case, my husband was there, and I had some really great friends who, I could send stuff to and say, can you read this and give me your feedback. After a year or so, I got a mentor, which was Gulzar Saab, and I sent him, and he actually said, okay, call me. And I was like, oh God.
I mean, to be mentored by Gulzar Saab.
Yeah. So that village really was important for me, but we all have to know what that means to you in terms of creating your own village. But I can say that, if not resigning, go for a 3-month creative leave or
even
something.
Just start on your weekends.
Yeah, like what you've done.
What I'm doing, exactly.
Yeah.
But the support system needs to be there. Like I know that while I'm sitting here interviewing you, my wife is there handling 2 kids on her own.
Exactly.
So the support has to be there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I think the other point I wanted to make on that was just the training that our societies have given us, the conditioning that, or the hardwiring that we have. The societies are deft at making us thinking beings,
Particularly South Asian societies.
Particularly
societies who have a post-colonial past. Who have a colonial past.
Yes, and I think that's not just the only thing. There's so many other elements to it. I mean, maybe population is one big element where we need to just outdo each other.
Yeah, scarcity of resources.
Exactly. So that crab mentality. So that hardwiring is so deep. I mean, it's almost evolutionary wiring within us, which we need to break free from. So for me, to know that there is also a feeling being within me, that I need to go look beyond accomplishments, money, success, and all these parameters to something which will be enriching on multiple layers that you're not even aware of, the ones that are dormant in you. The afternoon where I thought that longing, was so dormant in me, and suddenly it came alive. And one day all of us will have those moments, right? So yeah, I think just being aware that there is so much to our experience than just the
9 to 5, just the 9 to 5. Yeah. So and that leads me to the next thing I wanted to ask you, that the need to have a passion project, the importance of having a passion project in life. It's necessary. It keeps you, your job and your everything, it sustains you.
Yeah.
But these are things that you live for.
Yeah. I mean, life is killing us every day.
One way or the other,
moment by moment, it's killing us.
Yeah.
So what can we do to keep us alive? And to not die before the actual death.
Exactly.
So that's passion.
Exactly.
Right. So there's a nazm. This is from Pukhraj, Gulzar Saab की है, कि सब पे आती है सब की बारी से, मौत मुंसिफ है कमो बेश नहीं, जिंदगी सब पे क्यों नहीं आती.
वाह.
So that's what I think. Your passion जो है वो probably जिंदगी है.
Everybody lives, everybody dies, but why doesn't everybody live to their full potential, or
living and being alive?
Being alive, there are two different things. Yes.
जिंदगी क्या है जान